Ladies and gentlemen, next act is Manab. Fantastic. Have you on the microphone, Manab? Beautiful. Now, what have you got? What have you got in store for us today?
Actually, I don't know.
We'll see too.
Okay. Thank you. My name is Manab Sharma. It's difficult to pronounce as it is. You can see that one. Tonight, so far, everything is about sound. It's how you say, how you sing, all these things. And I was supposed to do some miming here, but I couldn't because I hurt a little bit myself. As a result, I'm trying to do something different. And listening on the sound and songs and everything, then you can see, you can actually listen that my accent is very different. It's just probably, some of the words probably you may not be understand. But sound is really critical. It's human, for a human we have language, but just think about, for a newborn baby, when the newborn baby comes, does it have a language, but he can express everything? I'd like to start from there. So just a newborn baby, just very newborn, because it's kind of born, then is how it cries. Let the sound start from there. And then it grows up, then sounds change. So I'll try to mimic that one. Pretty newborn baby. And now you can understand everyone that sound, right? So now it's grown up, it's crying more. So with that sound, the baby is trying to say something. Can you guess what the baby is trying to say?
I'm hungry.
Fantastic, you do. You need to say that one. It's a language, that also a language. Then what will happen? Mom will come or someone will come, dad may also come and feed. So he started the feeding, they're really, really high tone, the baby is really high and crying. Then as soon as, let's assume that feeding bottle goes to his lips, then how it slows down on there. So definitely words, language, sound, everything is different, but it's a media to express something on there. Now, this is for human. What about animals? Okay. So where I live in Belconnen. So near my next door neighbor, they have a dog. And nowadays I work from home a few days. And then I think that dog is on his own sometime at home. Then you can listen that exactly. It's barking, trying to say something. I don't understand, obviously. But then probably another dog on the street. Sometime in the lunchtime, other people goes and walk on there. Actually, they understand. Then how they will interact. The one, I'm really my apology. I actually don't know the names of the dogs in there, but I know the sizes. One, my next door neighbor has a small one. The one that's normally goes in the street is a big one. And how they will interact in that scenario. My next door neighbor one. The other dog is coming.
a legend. Now, I'll admit, okay, now Manab's a very good mime. And now, so firstly, you don't expect mimes to be super good vocally. So when Manab told me, he said, Marcel, I was going to do a mime, but, sorry, who's myself? He said, Gareth, I'm going to do a mime, but I've hurt myself, so I'm not going to do a mime. I've been experimenting with some sounds. I was apprehensive. But that was just brilliant. Can we have another round of applause for Manab? Okay, now